So unfortunately we smacked the car, and I taped it up. Looks pretty ugly. There was no other way to do it because it was actually shattered. There's some little damage on the grill, and I decided not to spend money because besides the $1,000 deductible, and we just fixed the car, kind of feels stupid. So I decided on doing something different. So this is actually LeBra that I used to have on my sports cars. So we're gonna try to put that on and see how it looks, and hopefully if it's good enough, my wife will approve, and then it could actually drive it instead of just being cracked up, all this broken stuff. Looks pretty good. It's relatively tight. There's a couple of wrinkles that's still out of the box because it's actually it's freezing outside. Once it gets warmed up, it's going to take its own contour. But all the tips, the top, and the bottom looks good. So I'm going to try to put the top, because it does come hood ornament too. the LeBra did a good job fitting this, but in particular model of the. This is Ford Fusion. The only thing that I wish they had a little opening here for the Ford emblem, but I do understand even these gaps need to be netted. The grill had to be netted, fog lights. So overall, pretty good job. This flap is actually sitting there. Nothing. They thought of all the clips and everything else to see nice and tight. I gotta say this is one of the difficult models. They have so many grooves and so overall, high marks.